Hi guys, it's Sandy here, and today I'm doing a DIY slime video using this Unicorn Poop Factory slime kit. Now this was purchased from the official Unicorn Poop Factory website. I will link the store and its details down below in the description if you want to purchase this. I must say I had absolute fun filming this video, and if you want to see me do more slime videos, I will do so if this video gets at least 200 likes. It's really fun. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and let's get straight into it. On the outside, we just have a simple cardboard box. First up, we have this little instruction guide, which I will definitely be reading very carefully because I do not know what I am doing. Next up, we have this little packet, and in here appears to be a business card. Do make sure to follow the Unicorn Poop Factory on their socials. And on the back is just a personalized little message thanking me for my order. And this is instructions on how to take care for my slime. We have a little sweetie, which I then proceeded to immediately eat because why wait? YOLO. And this is just the slime activator. And next up, a little unicorn brooch or pin. And this is just a container and two colorings for the slime. And here we have some essential oil to scent the slime and another bottle of activator. Next we have the slime base and a little wooden mixing spatula. And these are all the little add-ins for the slime, and this is quite fun to open. We have 3 little packets of glitter and a packet of little styrofoam / polystyrene beads, as well as a little sticker to label the plastic container of slime. And at the bottom we just have some tinsel and straw. I thought that was a really cute touch. The first step says start off by pouring out the mixture labeled A or the base. So I carefully opened the base, which had a type of Ziploc seal. Of course I had to smell it, and let me tell you, it did smell a bit potent. Like a nasty glue smell. But anyway, hopefully the essential oils will fix that. Now, I just emptied all of that base into my own little plastic container. Step 2 says add a few drops of your scent to make it smell yummy and give it a stir, which is exactly what I did. I did not know how much scent to add, so I added a little and I stirred. I added a little and I stirred. Really just throw in all of that scented oil into the slime to get rid of that glue smell. Like, just look at me, just throw it all in there, don't be shy. And it has a very pleasant, sweet candy type of smell. Step 3 says slowly add a few drops of your unicorn tears and mix well. Now I didn't know how much to add, so I started off adding just a few drops to see what would happen, and then I gave it a little stir, and okay, it started clumping up a little bit, but not enough, so I went back in and I added more, and I mixed and I added more, and I mixed, and I just repeated that, and eventually it turns out that you need to use 1.5 bottles of the slime activator to get it to a decent slime texture so that it's not sticky, but you can see it's starting to pull away from the sides of the container, so we're almost getting there. And this is me opening the second bottle of activator after I completely used the first one, and I'm just throwing it all in there because at this point I had been mixing for half an hour and my arms were about to fall off. I took it out of the little container and I'm just sprinkling that activator all over that slime as well as on my hands, and I'm just playing with it, just toughening it up a bit. Let me tell you, this was a workout and a half. Can making slime be considered part of an exercise routine? Because let me tell you, this is the most exercise I've gotten since lockdown started. My biceps were just, feeling that burn from this slime. Now I'm adding the blue coloring since my nails were blue and blue is my favorite color, so why not? I just added a little bit because I didn't know what I was going to do, and then I picked up the spatula and started mixing because I didn't know if I could touch this with my hands or not. But it was just getting stuck to the sticker, and I eventually gave up and I just went in there with my fingers, and that's honestly why you'll see blue stained on my fingers in this next scene. But it worked and we got the color in there. It's a beautiful light pastel blue, almost the shade as my nail polish. And I was just playing with it and pulling it until all that color mixed in there nicely. And now, this is the fun part, I'm adding the little balls. And I started off by adding half of the packets and then slowly working that in the slime. Now I added the second half of the packet of styrofoam beads and continued to work that into the slime. And now I'm adding the silver glitter, and I just added the whole packet. Then I decided to add the green, slightly larger glitter. I'm sure all the slime experts are cringing so hard at what I'm doing, but you know what? I had fun, and I think that's what's important. I'm just placing the little Unicorn Poop Factory sticker on this cute little container. I'm just putting the slime into the container that came with the slime kit, but I had to half my slime and put the other half in a separate container. Guys, I really had the time of my life filming this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment down below, like this video, share this video. Don't forget to follow my socials, which will be linked down below in the description, and I will see you guys in the next video.